How to check battery cycle count on iPhone. The first step is head to your Safari and then put in this link as shown on the screen. After this, you will be taken to this portal as you can see on the screen and click on Get Shortcut. After you click on the Get Shortcut option, you will then be redirected to the Shortcuts app. This might take a few seconds, but after this is done, you can see that you have the battery stats option in your Shortcuts app. After this, head towards the homepage and click on the Settings app. Here, click on Privacy and Security option and scroll down to the bottom where you can see Analytics and Improvement. Here, make sure you have the Share iPhone Analytics option open and then click on Analytics Data. Click on the first link starting with Analytics and then click on the Share option which is on the top right corner. After you click on the share icon that you can see on the screen, you can see battery stats option in the bottom. Click on battery stats and this is how you can check your battery cycle count on iPhone. As you can see on the screen that the cycle count is in the fourth option of the battery stats. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.